What's up, guys? My name is Kenny Nicoletti, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a little extra cash by taking advantage of people's laziness. So the first thing that I need to let you guys know is that students are lazy. And just looking at this article that I found real fast before putting it together back in 2012, students become lazy before the break. And college graduates are the number one people who are probably ready to get the fuck out of school. So here's the thing. Go, right now I'm in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and you can go into any of your local colleges, community colleges, universities, whatever, and you just Google in move out date. And you go down here and you find out when the students are moving out. So I just typed in move out date, University of Arkansas, Fayetteville. So here we're going to find our university, each dorm or each hall move out date. So they have every single hall listed out here. So Futrall Hall, which is one of the dorms here in Fayetteville, their move out date is Monday, May 3rd through Friday, May 7th. So they have May 3rd to May 7th to get all their shit out of their dorms. And trust me, they have these big garbage cans ready for people to just throw shit away. You know what you do is you sit out there and you just wait. And you wait until everyone gives you whatever is valuable. And you collect it. Help people move out. They even may pay you. This is such easy money since this is the time of season of everyone moving out. So here's another one. Gibson Hall. Let's check this one out. Same, May 3rd to May 7th. So you're going to be sitting out there. You're going to be helping people move out. And this is super, super productive. Even in apartments. If you can hit the apartment, see, dorms, you can't really get furniture, but if you can find move-out dates for the apartments, which they have them listed for the school apartments in certain universities, they'll have, only semester-long contracts with people or leases. And you can take whatever you want, from furniture to little things that people are just lazy to get away. And it's all because of laziness. Now, you're going to need one thing. You're going to need a car. And I think most of you guys should have something to transport whatever. If you really have to, you can go rent a U-Haul for a day. And you would actually still profit. A U-Haul for one day, you could probably fit probably 3-4 couches in a U-Haul for $30 for the whole day. Those 3-4 couches will convert you into a couple $1,000s right there. Boom. Easy money. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys right now. That is the way I say you can take advantage of people, or students rather, and take advantage of their laziness at school.